Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi namhla sithole lithuba benginene in between works ngibaleka nje eParliament ngisangenela kini ngaphinde ngibaleke ngibuyele eParliament kwavele nje kagijinya kwathiwa ngwe ilapho indzaba kodwa nje nalokukhulu lesithathanza kwengcisa kubonga kakhulu kuba kaSibebe siyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi babantu basekhaya enkundleni yakithi babone kufanele ukuthi babambise ama-club akithi ekuthenini kudlalelwe i-tournament lefana nale Sibebe resort no Cubs tournament lekuyi-tournament lesicabhako ngayo-ke nanathi siba sehukwini siyinkundla nelibandla lonke sinjena sidivela sibancinyana ngalokuthi kuye ngathi kumele kudlale lama-team it's about the teams kanti ke bakaSibebe bayasifundisa ukuthi no, it's not about the teams. Ema-teams angafiki ema-team egroundini mangabe kuboRafael abangekho then nothing is going to move ngoba labantu kumele ba-advocate noma bajaje lokuthi ukuhambe njani kudlala ababili laye batilungisele amaviki onke abekho. Namhla ke siyabonga ukuthi bathi cha basi bakhona labo Rafael siyacela lokubahlobisa nabo bathi vele nje basamasha basenda konke bathi khanze nanabo sifundisa sabo sibuyile lokuthi saze sabukeka saba bantu hayi ukuthi ngibuke ijezi lami le club yami lengiyithandzako ukuthi namhla ngabe ngirafela ngaliphi ijezi le ground but nje imane nonke sifane siyakubonga lokho kuhle kakhulu siyadumisa usibongele kakhulu Nkosi kubo baphasi labakhulu nakini ni staff niyasibambisa nje kakhulu lemsebenzi sengaba ngiko nje Nkosi yami kucela chair njengoba nguvile nana ucela nabo bakaSibebe ngibavile bacela ukuthi sinayo lemidlalo yethu ngempela sonto siyasicela le spotlight majala madzala njengoba into sipha sona nje namhla manje niphinde nisiphe la emagroundini nivele nje nithi nibone nibashuthe nje labo Rafael ababahle babhigela lama-team sekukuhle naye sponsor kuyomthokotisa ngoba ngalelanga nabakhuluma nje ukuthi namhla ke iPLE ithi okutaba lelanga lesponsor ekasomhlolo noma emavuso nanathi ke sinalo lelanga ngelisonto lapho khona kutaba lelanga laSibebe i-grand opening kudlalwa awuma games lama-team bangitshelile nje ukuthi lawo lathi abadlala lama-team layithula adlalile kuma-final asizini phela abasadlala labanye ama-team kule ma-fixtures lesinawo so singasho nje ukuthi awubuyani into sibukela siyakuthokotela lokho nangabe wendeka lokhu-ke nalabanye baba encouraged through your leadership chair lokuthi first ukhona into leyendakalako when it comes to kunakekela ema-club abo noma ama-teams bese bayafuna kusonzela siyabonga nje ukuthi basonzeliswa ngiloko nabo nalawo ma-relations esiwakhako-ke nanathi sibahlonishwa with the companies labagcine sasichasile siyakubonga lokho sengigcina nje chairperson ngasho lokuthi sinako lokuthi siyafisa futhi lokuthi kwangasi njengoba chairman asho singagcili nje lokudlala kube siyoqedza kuqala sithi sibamba youth ukuthi ingayonda kuqala ibuye ihlangane emagroundini idlala to some of us it's more than that sekuthandaza lokuthi lama-team ethu nalabo Rafael bethu bagcine bakubona lokuthi it is not just killing time sinako lokufisa lokungasi this thing should be business sinako lokufisa but ke siyolithola lithuba chairperson mhlambe sike sihlale ngiyocela vele usakhele lelithuba nabo labasemzimba bomdlovu nema-team ikakhulu not only the teams but the owners of the teams lapho khona sitake sikhulumisane ngalokuthi yini bamambambala labayendaba they must understand what they are doing because it's not about utawukhipha imali abantu bakho every weekend ugebelise badlali baye groundini without the bigger picture somewhere ukuthi kusasa sifuna ukutibona siyinkundla chairperson sinenhlanhla ama-service besinawe chair besine tinkampani through i-Ministry of Sports laba ka-Sports Council just this month, early this month, siyobuka ukuthi li-ground elikhulu lelikahle sitalakha kuphi lapha ground lapha eHukweni. That is what we want to do. Sitakwenda before the end of the year. Tawusuka le ground lela sidlalela kulo libuye endzaweni lekahle leseyingulu letawuvumela ukuthi sigijime around it. You know, that is, we are all trying. Maybe with time, wona football association bawuthi no, le ground laseHukweni libonakala lihle lokuthi you can develop into a sports center or technical center. Ukhanze ukuthi siya benefit. But sifuna kuhamba nalama team akithi ukuthi esideveloper le infrastructure around sports nawo angagcini ngokudlalela Nzimba Zona League or bahle babhaza ka Super League noma kuma playoffs. We need to have teams in the National First Division. We need to have teams in the Premier League. That is what we want, because if we do that, we expose the talent yalabadlali bakithi bale enzaweni yakithi ukuthi sinabo badlali enkundleni naseHukweni. We want that, but we need to have a discussion with the club's owners to see it's possible, it can be done. By 2028 singathi siphuma thine ukhanze ukuthi sesinayo team na ibekho ka Premier League ibe khona ka First Division, but it just needs kuhlangana kwemqondo. We can do it, you know. So ngalawo magama chairperson kubonga sibabongele bo Rafela namhla labachasiwe ngaloku kwegqoka, sibonge lokuthi batakuphatha kahle kuze kuthi noma sesibuya eminyakeni lotako mhlambe sakhona nemakhokho nawo konke lokunye ukhanze ukuthi cha ni demonstrate ukuthi niyakwati ukuphatha info nigcine nje ingile umbala lenito awuthatha namhla ungiwo ngoba igcine ngalenye langa seyijika lombala soba ngilokunye, but ngiyanathi ninendilwane nitayiphatha kahle le uniform labaniphe yona into kukhona nakusasa niqhubeke. But nje in as much as kusibebe ngiyathi ukuthi utawuthanza sponsor ukuthi every time we play the tournament nivale nimgcamise lo sibebe kube nje umuntu otayi egroundini akudlala sibebe angirafela angafaki le uniform yakithi. But ke ngoba phela siyade le ma uniform asiwo lamaningi nangabe ke sengiqhubeka nidlalisa leminye imidlalo cha ngiyabagabisela nje ukuthi cha bekulele thina siborafela sigcokiswe ngusibebe nibahambisele mhlambe nanabo babe sibaba nako ukuthi mhlambe kumele sene njani, but lesithanza ukuthi we must get more sponsors into the game yakithi enkundleni yaseHukweni. That is what we want. Nanani niqhubekeni bebahle ushito chairperson siphatheleni kahle lemidlalo sibongile ukuthi last year even though lesikhathi sabasifishane but sadlala safika kuma final kwawiniswa. So it was through your efforts libo Rafela ngiyathi ukuthi basikulenye imidlalo khona laba abagcile bafuna kunithandazela khona siyathandaza ke ukuthi lo nyaka kwebethe umuntu abamthandazelayo nangabe kunjani RC chair bo Rafela bake sisabagcilela ukuthi nangabe khona kumele sibakhumbude kuko sikhumbutaneni. Unfortunately sinestihlule le groundini sithe le benefit ya VAR, so sibona nje kanye sithi hayi ubonile kanze usibo kahle, but labantu sebareacte ngendlela yabo lethiteni. So ngalawo magama siyanibongela, we wish you a good tournament njengoba siyiqala this week iyozibeka le kuMay ufisa kwethu. So ngalawo magama team chair sponsor everyone siyabonga kakhulu sicela inkosi sibusele.